This is my seventh video. So today, as I mentioned in the last video, today I'll teach you how to solve quadratic equation using problems involving problems. That means like a sentence questions, how to solve quadratic equations. Before this, you subscribe my video and along with the bell sign, then you can receive a lot attractive videos of mathematics along hereafter. Continuously I will publish videos attractive or full all solving problems in our entire local syllabus. Okay, for next is grade 10 quadratic equation. This is my seventh video. We'll see how to solve sentence questions, problems involving quadratic equations. So we'll see problem number 1. So write this question. The breadth of a rectangle is 5 meters less than its length. The breadth of a rectangle is 5 meters less than its length. Full stop. If its area is 300 meters square, find the length and the breadth of the rectangle. Find the length and the breadth of the rectangle. Here's the first question. This is like a grade 10 type problem. Basic question. We'll see how to solve involving using quadratic equation. So this board also has a rectangle shape. Rectangle area, how to find the calculation of rectangle area, length multiple breadth. Okay, so here I draw a diagram and explain a rectangle. They said the breadth of a rectangle 5 meters less than the length. 5 meters less than the length. So I take length is x. We say length is x. So what is breadth? 5 less. If it's 20, here 15. If it's 10, here 5. If it's 18, this is 13. 5 less subtract. So here x means this is x minus 5. X minus 5, right? So therefore I use here, I took as length is x, therefore breadth is x minus 5. Now they say area of this rectangle, here that's given 300 meters square, that is 300. Now we build up an equation here. What is area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. So x into x squared minus 5 is 300. Okay, length into breadth is area, therefore x into x minus 5 equal 300. So we work, I think I worked 25 questions. You see the previous videos, full method how to solve such a quadratic equations. So we rearrange. Quadratic means x squares. If any problems comes in terms of square called quadratic equation. So rearrange, take all one side and make it 0. So multiply x into x square minus x times 5x. And take the 300 here minus 300 equal to 0. This is our standard form. We said the quadratic equation standard form. Now here in grade 10 we have to solve this by using factorization method. Now you know the factor. There's no 0 that you learn grade 9 lesson how to factorize this. Multiple 300. See, select two numbers properly. Multiple 300. Summation 5. What are two numbers gives you? Multiple 300 and this 5. That is 15 and 20. Okay, if you multiple 15 times 20, 20 times 10, 200, and 5 there, 15 and 20 gives you 300. So we factorize x square is minus 5x. How? Minus 20x plus 5x minus 300 equal to 0. Now take x out, then x minus what, 20 plus, now take the 5 out, x minus, is it minus 15, 20 and 15, is it right? So here take the what, 15 out, again x minus 20 equal to 0. So out of 4, what are the factors? X minus 20, one factor, the other one x plus 15 equal to 0. So we will learn many. So see my old videos before this for better solution, better knowledge in this QV lesson. So 2 bracket is 0. Then we called x minus 20 is 0. Or x plus 15 equal 0. So x equal, take the minus 20 there, plus 20. Or other solution, x equal plus 15, the other side minus 15. Okay, these are the two solutions. For any quadratic equation has two solutions. Here one is 20, one is minus 15. But this problem, dimension, length, breadth questions, no? So we never use negative length not measuring in negative sign. Therefore x is minus 15, we won't take here. X equal minus 15, not valid this question because length, money problems, velocity, speed or length, breadth, time, we won't take negative. So here the exact solution x equal 20. So what is x? I mentioned length. Therefore right here length equal, x is length 20 meters. Length is 20 meters and the breadth is 5 less. Length is 20, breadth is 5 less 15 meters. Is the basic problem for grade 10. You can see the sentence question in your book, in your local book. There's no this sentence question, but in your exams, term papers, school papers, they will provide how to use sentence problem into quadratic equations. So here length is 20 meters, breadth is 15 meters, then only multiple area 300, right? Okay, we'll see the second problem. Today's this problem involving QV, quadratic equation, second question. Write this question. When a number add to its square, answer is 72. When a number add to its square, answer is 72. Find the number. When a number is added to its square, answer is 72. Find the number. So we try this other ideas. So prepare the equation here. When a number add to its square, for example, the number is 4. But add to its square means what the square of 4? 16. Square of 4 is 16. The number is 7. Add its square. 7 square 49. The number is 10. Add what? 100. That's the meaning. A number add to its square, right? So we say let the number be x. So write this form, let the number be x. We say the number is x. So as I mentioned, the number is 4. Add 4 square, 16. If it's 7, add 7 square, 49. 10 means 100. So a number added to its square. So if I use number is x, its square means x square. So add the both, answer is 72, right? So I can write like this, x square and that number added. The number added to its square, answer is 72. Now this is the way. Then you can solve, rework many questions. The previous, all you can see there are 6 videos. How to solve. Always general form is important. Rearrange and collect the general form of this quadratic equation. Take all here and equal to 0. So x square plus x, take this, minus 72 is 0. That's very important. It is not only grade 10, we'll study more in O-level next year, grade 11 classes. Some more complicated problem, the foundation here in grade 10. So study this well, very important problem, one of your exam question. So multiple 72 here, 1. So think factors, 2 numbers multiple 72. 12 times 6, 72. 36 double 72. 1 times 72. And for here we need 1. So I think 9 times 8. 9 multiple 8 is 72. Using 9 and 8. 9 minus 8, 1. So we factorize. So x square plus 1x. How 1x here? 9x minus 8x. 9x minus 8x, 1x. Minus 72 equal to 0. Now solve by factorization method. Use the factors. Factorize now. I'll take the x out. X plus 9. Here minus minus, take the minus out. And 8 also common factor. X plus 9 equal to 0. So you know, same thing that side. So out of all, x plus 9, one factor. The other one, x minus 8 equal to 0. Equal to 0. So therefore here 2 brackets equal to 0 as I mentioned here. How to solve hereafter. X plus 9 is 0. X plus 9 is 0. Or x minus 8 is 0. X plus 9 is 0. Or x minus 8 is 0. Therefore, what are the 2 solutions? X equal, take the plus 9 other side, minus 9. Or other answer, minus 8 other side, plus 8. See 2 solution. If a number square it, added to it, answer is 72. So in this case, we can get both solutions. Both are satisfies. Both solutions correct. They satisfy true for this equation. You can check, see, if x is minus 9, minus 9 square, add to that number, minus 9. See what is the answer? Minus 9 square, 81. Here you know plus minus successive, therefore minus 9. What is 81 minus 9? 72. Therefore x equal minus 9. Clear? Satisfied? Not only that, x is 8, check. 8 square, 64. Add 8, 72. So both satisfy here. Both solutions are true. So earlier we won't take the negative sign because of dimension length. We won't measure minus, only positive intervalue, therefore. But in this case, the number, any number can be decimal, fractions, odd number, even number, positive, negative, no matter, right?